Welcome to 10 Minutes Lectures in Computer Science. Most of the beginners in SQL are struggling to understand the where class, especially on how the query with where conditions filter the data in a table. In this lecture, let us see how does the where class work. Consider the table employee and the question to find the ID and designation of CSE department employees. Before writing the query, we need to understand the given requirement. At first, we need to identify the information like what to display, where to look for the data, and the conditions to filter the data. Once if you understood, it is simply a matter of filling a query template. In this example, we need to display employee ID and designation. So select clause takes employee ID, designation. And from there we need to take the data. It is from employee table. So we need to take the data from employee table. So from class accepts the employee. And do we have any conditions to filter the data? Yes, we have department equal to CSE, which can be included in where class. The query validates every record of employee table with the condition department is equal to CSE. This checks every records department value. If the value is CSE, the query includes that record in the result set, otherwise not. For example, the first record, the department value is biotechnology, so that record is rejected. Likewise, second record, which is mechanical, and the last record, which is IT, are also rejected. The third record and fourth record have the value CSE in the department column, so both are included in the intermediate output. Actually, as a final result, we need to display only employee ID and designation. Hence, all the other attributes in the intermediate output are removed. Only the final result consists of EID and designation. In this second example, we have two conditions to be validated, and both conditions must be true to include a particular record in the result set. So here we need to display all the employee details. So we include star in the select class, and we need to take the data from employee table. So from class includes employee, and the conditions are designation equal to assistant professors and salary should be greater than 30,000. So we expect both these conditions to be validated. In this example, we filter the data with two conditions. One is designation is equal to assistant professor and salary should be greater than 30,000. If both the conditions are valid for every record, then those records will be included in the result set. Otherwise, they are eliminated. For example, the first record we have designation professor, and this is not equal to assistant professor, hence the record is eliminated. The second record we have designation assistant professor, but salary is not greater than 30,000, hence that is eliminated as well. And third record, department designation is equal to assistant professor, but salary is not greater than 30,000. And fourth record and fifth record, both have the correct values. Hence they are included in the result set. In this third example, let us see the conditions that are connected using logical connective OR. The query is to find the employee details who are from computer science and are earning more than 30,000. So we need to display all the details, that is entire structure to be displayed star. And where do we look for the data? It's an employee table. So from class includes employee. And what are the conditions? Department equal to CSC and salary is greater than 30,000. So these conditions are connected using logical connective OR in the where clause. As per the conditions given, for a record to be included in the result set, either the department should be CSC or the salary should be greater than 30,000, or both can be valid as well. So the first record, department is not CSC, as well as the salary is not greater than 30,000. Hence this record is excluded from the result set. The second record, again department is mechanical and salary is equal to 30,000, which fails to attempt to the conditions. Hence they are removed as well. All the other three records, especially the third record, first condition is valid, so it is included in the result set. The fourth record, both conditions are valid, CSC as well as greater than 30,000. So this is included in the result set. And the last record, the second condition is valid. Hence it is included in the final result set.